This is Rohan. Now, Rohan loves to cycle along the countryside. One fine Sunday morning, Rohan was cycling along the countryside when he came across this washerman. This washerman washes the clothes of the entire countryside, and he took Rohan to the nearby lawn where he used to dry all the clothes that he used to wash. Now, Rohan observed a very interesting thing. He observed the jerseys of the football team hanging on a rope. So, as we can see, these are all the jerseys hanging on a straight rope, and the jerseys are numbered from 0 to 9. Now, Rohan was really fascinated by it. He saw that all the jerseys are hanging on the straight rope. Also, they are numbered one after the other. That is, jersey number 1 after 0, jersey number 2 after 1, jersey number 3 after 2, and so on till jersey number 9. Just like how our numbers come one after the other. Another interesting thing was that the jerseys had equal gaps between themselves. So the gap between these two jerseys was the same as the gap between these two jerseys. The same gap between these two jerseys, the same gap between these two, and so on for all the jerseys. And seeing this, Rohan was really fascinated. So, these are all the jerseys hanging one after the other, numbered from 0 to 9. So, you see they are numbered successively. That is, after 0 we have 1. So, jersey number 1 is placed after jersey number 0. After 1 we have 2. So, jersey number 2 is placed after jersey number 1. After 2 I have 3. So, jersey number 3 is placed after jersey number 2. And so on. Also, we are not skipping numbers. That is, no number is skipped. I don't have 2 after 0, or I don't have 3 after 1. No number is skipped. All the numbers are there, one after the other. So now, even after Rohan went home, he could not forget the jerseys hanging on a straight rope. He thought that is it possible to arrange the numbers on a straight line just like the numbered jerseys were hanging on the rope? And he tried to do that. So let us see how we can do that. So just like there was a straight rope, we first make a straight line using a ruler. So what do I need? I need to draw a straight line using a ruler. Now the jerseys were hanging from the rope. So similarly, I want my numbers to be hanging or placed on this line. Where will they be placed? I need marks for that. So let me make certain marks on this line for hanging or putting my numbers. But I want these marks to be equally spaced. I want to arrange them neatly, just like the neatly hung jerseys. So I want to arrange my numbers neatly. So I will make equally spaced marks on the line. For that, I need a ruler. So I take this ruler, I fix a certain distance and I make marks. So let us see how I can do that. So I take this ruler and I take any convenient length and I make marks. Now suppose I want to put numbers from 0 to 9. So how many marks do I need? I have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 numbers. So I need 10 marks. So I start by putting a mark at 0 first. Now suppose I take the distance to be 40 centimeter on this scale. Because I'm using a very big board, I'm taking a big distance. But in your copy, you will take a smaller distance, say 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. But over here, I take 40. So I place my second mark on 40. Now I need another mark. So I place 0 here and I put a third mark on 40. Now once again, I need a fourth mark. So I again put my 0 at this point and put a fourth mark at 40. Now I can go on doing this till I get all the 10 marks. So let us see what do we get after that. So I get my 10 marks. Now we have drawn the marks to put the numbers at the correct places. Now if you notice, these marks are at equal distance because we have drawn them like that. We have taken equal measurement from the scale and drawn these marks. Now this equal distance or this gap is called the unit gap. So this gap is called the unit gap. Unit means 1. So this gap is unit gap. Even this gap is unit gap. This gap is unit gap. This gap is unit gap. So the gap between any two marks is a unit gap. And now I can place my numbers on these marks. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I put these 9 numbers on the line. Now what if there are more jerseys? That is, there are jerseys after number 9 as well. So we can hang it after jersey number 9. Similarly, I can have more numbers to be placed on this line. So I will place those numbers after number 9, 10, 11 and so on. And I can go on putting more and more numbers. I can go on making my line longer and even more long. So for that, I put an arrow. So I put this arrow to the right to indicate that there are more numbers to the right. This line keeps on increasing and increasing in length. There are many more numbers to the right. But because we cannot write all the numbers, we cannot draw a very big line. That is why we give an arrow to show that it is increasing. And what is the name of this line? We name this line as number line. So this is the number line because it contains all the numbers. It has different numbers. They are on the straight line. They come one after the other. No number is skipped. And they are equally spaced. That is, the gap between any two numbers is the same. It is called the unit gap. And this arrow to the right indicates that there are more numbers to the right, and this does not end here. Now, why do we need a number line at all? You must be thinking that why have we drawn a number line? We have numbers, they are good enough. What purpose does a number line serve? So for that, let me ask you a question. Which number is bigger? 2 or 8? Which is the bigger number? Now, if you look at the number line, just visually and in just 1 second, you can say which number is bigger. What do I need to do is to locate 2 and locate 8 on the number line. So I have 2 here and 8 here. On a number line, the numbers to the right are bigger and the numbers to the left are smaller. Because we have placed the numbers one after the other as they appear. So the numbers to the right are bigger. Now just by looking at the numbers, I can see that 8 is to the right of 2. So 8 is the bigger number. So it helps us to compare numbers. So now, can you tell me which is the smaller number, 7 or 4? For doing that, I need to locate or find these two numbers on the number line. Where is 7? I have 7 here. Where is 4? I have 4 here. Now I need to find the smaller number. I know that on a number line, the numbers to the left are smaller. So 4 is to the left of 7. So 4 is smaller. So between these two numbers, 4 is the smaller number. So a number line helps us to see numbers. We can visually see the numbers where they are placed or located. It helps us to compare numbers. It also helps us in addition and in subtraction. How? We'll see in our later lectures. So now we have learned how can we draw a neat number line. First, we need to draw a straight line. We need to make marks which are at equal gaps from one another using a ruler, and then we need to mark the numbers one after the other on those marks. And this is how you can draw your very own number line. So why don't you try it out? Take out a ruler, a pencil and your notebook and make a number line. And don't forget to put an arrow to the right to indicate that there are more numbers and it keeps on increasing and increasing. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.